For most business owners, business insurance is out of sight, out of mind. You have it, but you hope you'll never have to use it. So when serious damage from a fire or another covered peril halts your business, you need coverage that will get your business back in working order. And you don't want the added frustration of discovering that your policy only covers up to a certain amount of the repair costs. You have enough stress at the time of loss. Guaranteed replacement cost is an optional coverage through Erie Insurance that pays the full amount to rebuild your building after a covered loss. Let's say you experience a fire. The damage is deemed a total loss. You have $500,000 of coverage in your property policy, but it takes $650,000 to rebuild your building in today's dollars. Guaranteed replacement cost will pay the additional $150,000. It's the coverage that considers things you can't control, like the rising costs of materials and labor year over year. And it gives you an added level of comfort during a time of crisis. Don't chance it. Talk to a local Erie Insurance agent today about adding guaranteed replacement cost coverage to your business policy.